The encounter of gangster Vikas Dubey, wanted for the killing of 8 policemen in Kanpur, has opened Pandora's box, with the opposition questioning the circumstances that led to his death. In a press note issued on Friday evening, the UP Special Task Force, however, has said that a herd of cattle had come in front of the vehicle, due to which the driver took a sudden turn, which led to an accident. The police tried to go close to Vikas Dubey to nab him alive, but he continued to fire. The police retaliated in self-defense. Social media can be used by a person just like a gun in his hand, observed the Supreme Court on Friday, as it found favor with an order asking a Congress leader from Uttar Pradesh to stay away from social media for at least 18 months. The top court has decided to formulate guidelines on the use of social media in criminal cases, especially in matters of bail. The court was hearing an appeal by Congress politician Sachin Chaudhary, who faces a criminal case for holding a press conference in breach of the lockdown rules to criticize the central and UP governments. The politician from Amroha also used social media to target Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for allegedly mishandling the coronavirus pandemic. The government said on Friday that it was suspending the release of headline industrial output numbers for May, part of a more than 2-month lockdown imposed to combat the coronavirus pandemic due to inadequate data collection. Most industrial businesses were not operating from March onwards, a statement released by the Ministry of Statistics said. The government earlier suspended the release of industrial production numbers for April, as well as retail inflation data for April and May. Industrial output contracted 34.71 in May, according to Reuters calculation based on available data. The National Investigation Agency today filed a first information report against 4 accused in a case of gold smuggling through diplomatic channels. At least 30 kilograms of gold under the name of UAE consulate had reached Thiruvananthapuram, the Kerala High Court was told. The NIA in a statement said that it filed the case under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, or UAPA, as the case pertains to smuggling of large quantity of gold into India and it amounts to a terrorist act. The accused named in the case are Sarith, Swapna Prabha Suresh, Fazil Farid and Sandeep Nair. The authorities had seized the large amount of gold worth rupees 14.82 crores at Trivandrum International Airport on July 5. The Ministry of Human Resource and Development has decided to cancel exams for the School of Open Learning. After the Central Board of Secondary Education and other crucial exams, the SOL exams have also been called off by the MHRD. The exams were supposed to be held on July 17, 2020. Unlike Delhi University's open book exams for the regular students, the SOL has come up with an idea to judge the students on the basis of internal assessment. Therefore, the past performance of the students in 4 subjects will form an average aggregate to pass the students. The students will also have an option to appear in the next public exam.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.